Applied, hands-on education. That's the mission of the Manufacturing and Mechanical Engineering Technology, or MMET, program in the Department of Engineering Technology and Industrial Distribution at Texas A&M. We teach our students how to turn ideas into designs and manufactured products.
The Engineering Technology and Industrial Distribution Department houses 3 undergraduate education programs that offer applied, industrial-oriented educational experience to the students.
The MMET program is very application-oriented. It's a program that's very hands-on, very experiential learning-based. So if you want to get your hands dirty, you want to work in labs, you want to learn how to manufacture things, the MMET program is for you.
Students in MMET get a strong mechanical theory background combined with a broad understanding of manufacturing. MMET graduates significantly impact numerous aspects of design and production and industry.
I decided in 8th grade that I wanted to be an engineer, and the reason is because I wanted to be able to use my hands to actually make something, and that's why I chose MMET.
What drove my interest into this program was the fact that there was so much knowledge to be attained. This was very broad, and that's what I really liked about it.
MMET for me is the future. It's something I've been looking for. It's hands-on, physically, mentally challenging. It allows me to use machines.
MMET is for doers. The curriculum includes design, production, and assessment. Over 85% of our courses have a lab, which allows you an opportunity to apply the theory you learn in lecture and highlights our commitment to experiential learning. Our students can take an idea from conception to creation.
Most of our classes are about doing, because we get to go into the lab and actually do what we're learning in class rather than just learning about theory.
You can really put your hands on the equipment, go into the labs, and really learn as you're doing the exercise. That's what really brings the most learning.
So we bring a lot of industry examples into our classes, and the students really like that because they like to have that hands-on, understand why they're learning what they're learning.
And when you get into the lab, we're going to hand you a piece of aluminum and put you in front of a mill and ask you to make something. We're going to give you a piece of aluminum bar stock and put you in front of the lathe and ask you to make something. We're going to take you into our welding lab and have you do some welding. And the idea here is not that you're going to become a machinist or a welder, but that by understanding how these processes work, having actually experienced these processes, you'll be able to design better products and better processes.
The strength of our program is the faculty. Industry veterans bring their knowledge into the classroom, giving you real-world applications. Their experiences ensure that the knowledge you are acquiring now is what employers will hire you for later.
I think the faculty, they really care about you succeeding.
They have an immense amount of experience during their career because they weren't always in education or academia. So having the opportunity to see what their life has been like, where they've gone and traveled in the industry, has been very helpful towards shaping my future.
They were so invested in your success as a student and as a person, it was just rare to find anywhere else.
The faculty really care about our students, and our goal is for the students to really learn the information, to be able to apply it, and to become immediately effective when they go into industry.
Many of our graduates go on to be industry leaders and entrepreneurs. Our graduates engineer products and processes. They find better ways to make anything, from drill pipes to candy bars to aircraft. The hands-on nature of MMET curriculum allows them to understand all aspects of the manufacturing process.
I was a production manager for a while, and now I'm a project manager. So MMET gives you the confidence to speak in front of people, to lead, and I think that major really contributed towards me moving up to the management.
And you're a real engineer. And when you go out into the workforce, you know how things work. You're not just book smart. You actually know how to put your hands on things. And to me, that's back to the basics and the fundamentals of what made engineering great back in the 50s and 60s and whatnot, because it is a fundamental approach to how to solve these problems.
I absolutely love this major. I'm really glad that I chose this.
There's so many great people within this program, and I've gotten to meet a lot of good people.
I would tell a freshman that is the greatest program on campus.
No matter what your future holds, upon graduation, you will have the knowledge and confidence to be successful.